Welcome back. We have successfully completed up to here. Now we are going to create a return PO. We want to return this stock to vendor. Now go and create a return PO ME21N ten quantity. Here you need to select this indicator, return indicator. So far we don't have any shipping tab here. If whatever the configuration we did that is okay, then system is going to pop up one shipping tab here. If you are not getting shipping tab, that means something is wrong in the configuration. Press enter. See, we are getting this shipping tab here. See, this is a customer number. Customer created for this vendor to follow this SD process. This condition 01 is maintained at the time of creating vendor master. This loading group is part of a material master. This shipping condition, this we maintained at the time of assigning the shipping point. This RL we did the configuration. The sales organization, distribution channel, division we did the configuration. We assigned these three to plant. Hope you understand. Now next step, check for consistency. Save this. Copy this. Return PO. Release this PO ME29N. Release. Now next step, we have released this. Now time to create a outbound delivery. Before creating outbound delivery, we will check the stock. See, right now we have 10 quantity. Refresh this. We have 10. T code is VL10B for creating outbound delivery. Copy this PO. Click on this purchase tab. Execute. Select this. Click on background. Successfully created. If you want to see what is the outbound delivery number, you can get it from here. Sales document. I will copy all these. Control A, select, move to left. See, this is the document number. This is the outbound delivery document number. If you click on this one, see, this is the outbound delivery. From here, we are going to issue the stock against this outbound delivery. Go back. If you don't know your outbound delivery, even you can get it from here. If you double click on this purchase order, see, go to purchase order history. See, here you will find this outbound delivery. Double click on this one, copy this number. No need to copy, just I am showing you how to get it. This is OBD created successfully. Now next, VL02N. Now this is the time we are going to issue the stock. Before proceeding, this is the step we are going to do now. We will check the stock, refresh this. So far we have the stock. Now go to VL02N, press enter. System will copy the recent one automatically. Press enter. Click on this picking. Here you need to maintain these details. Storage location. I want to issue the stock from 001 storage location. Requirement is 10. This is 10. I want to issue 10 quantity. Here post goods issue. We have successfully issued this stock. If you want to see the history, click on this document flow. Click on this one. See, this is the history. This is the purchase order. Against this purchase order, we created outbound delivery. And this is picking request. And this is a return request. Click on this document, accounting document. This is the document posted here. Trading goods to GRIR. If you see this trading goods inventory has been reduced. GRIR is debit. Go and check the quantities from MMBE. Right now we have 10 before doing PGI. If you refresh this, it will become 0. We don't have any stock here. Hope you understand. Next step, credit memo. Go to MIRO. For this return, we are going to issue the credit memo. Select credit memo. Date 23/11/2020. Copy this order. Press enter. 100. Select here V0. Simulate. See here, vendor is a debit. In normal cases, if it is an invoice, it will be credit side. GRIR will be debit. Here, opposite of invoice. GRIR is credit, vendor is debit. For this, we are going to issue credit memo. If you want to see the document, go to display. You can see document here. If you want to see purchase order history, you can see from here. Double click on this one. This is the history. We created this delivery. We completed this issue. Second step. 161 is the moment type. REL is the invoice part. Hope you understand the complete process. Thank you. Please don't forget to write a review for the course.